I'm with our second video of the topic rocks and minerals. In first video, we have seen about the two types of rocks, which are igneous and sedimentary rocks. In this video, we are going to see the third type of rock. What are its examples? What are the minerals and its example along with its uses? So let's see. The first type of rock is igneous rock, which is formed by the magma which flows out of the volcano. Second type of rock, sedimentary rocks, they are formed when sand, pebbles and other sediment collect and they form layers. And the third type of rocks is metamorphic rocks. Now, when these igneous and sedimentary rocks, they undergo the changes because of heat and pressure, this third type, that is the metamorphic rocks, are formed. So, as they are forming from igneous and sedimentary rocks after the change, metamorphic is also called as change of form. Here are the examples of metamorphic rocks. Examples are slate, marble, schist and quartzite. If you see in bracket, I have written one name, and that name is of sedimentary rock from which that metamorphic rock has formed. So let's see about first slate. There is a picture of slate, and I am sure that every one of us has practiced writing on the slate, is it? So the slate is used as a writing board, even for decorating garden. It is also used as a roofing material, and it is formed by a shell, a sedimentary rock. Second picture is of Taj Mahal, and yes, we are so proud. Is it? Because it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So this Taj Mahal is formed by the marble, and this marble has been formed by the limestone. So the marble is used to make building and sculpture. It is also used as a material for flooring in the building. The third example of metamorphic rock is schist. And if you see, there is a picture of sculpture. So the schist is used for garden decoration and in making sculpture, and it is formed by the shell, which is a sedimentary rock. A fourth example of metamorphic rock is quartzite, and it is formed by the sandstone. Now if you see in the picture, these are tools used by early man for cutting. Okay, so this quartzite, it is used by the early man to make large cutting tools like axes and scrapers. Nowadays, as it is very hard and weather resistant, it is used in glass and in ceramic industry. It is also used to make jewelry and ornaments. Students, here it is the rock cycle. You know that there are 3 types of rock: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. So these rocks, they go under the changes and turn into the another rock. And if we see, the igneous rock turn into the sedimentary rock turn into the metamorphic rock, and it is a constant and never-ending rock cycle which exists in nature. So we can say that all these rocks are formed by one another. Okay, so this is called as the rock cycle. Now let's talk about the minerals. What are the minerals? Let's see first what is the importance. 3 types of rocks that we have studied, if we look at them, these rocks are made up of 2 or more minerals. Almost 3,000 different types of minerals are found in the world. So now what are these minerals? Minerals are the chemicals which present naturally as a single chemical or as a combination of 2 or more chemicals. These minerals are used for different things in our day-to-day life. Now let's see what are the examples of these minerals and what are its use. So here it is the first example of mineral called graphite, and if you see there is a picture of pencils. Why? Because this mineral is used to make pencil. Second mineral is coal, and yes, it is used as a fuel. In third picture we can see a toothpaste. Why? Because the mineral fluoride is used to make a toothpaste. Fourth picture is of gold, and gold it is a precious mineral. It is used in medicine, in jewelry, and even in dentistry. The fifth mineral, gypsum, is used in the manufacture of cement and many other construction material. In the next picture we can see there are the glass bottles, and they are made from the mineral called silica. So silica is used in making glass, ceramics, and even in paints. In the next picture there are the iron nails, and these iron nails are formed by the mineral iron. So iron is used in manufacture of steel, kitchen appliances, shipbuilding, trails, highways, and even nails. Our next mineral is silver, and you can see in the picture some decorative items. Is it? Like gold, silver is also a precious mineral, and it is used in making jewelry, expensive decorative items, cutleries, even in dental and medical equipment. Next mineral is tungsten, and here that you can see a picture of bulb. Why? Because in the bulb, or for making the bulb, there is a file which is of tungsten, and it only gives us the light. So tungsten is used for making a bulb. Next mineral is quartz, and you can see there the picture of watches. Why? Because quartz is used in watches and clocks. Next mineral is the diamond, and we know diamond is the most hard material on the earth. Diamond, ruby, sapphire, these are the examples of gemstones, and they are beautifully colored crystals, is it? And they are used to make a jewelry. So here students are the examples of some minerals. So if we see, okay, right from our floor to the roof, rocks and minerals are being used in our day-to-day life, or we can say rocks and minerals are part of our day-to-day life. So scholars, I hope you have understood about this, and you're going to write the new words and the words to know in your